Hi, welcome back. I'm Jeremy Foster. Thanks for watching this course on Node.js and the Internet of Things using Intel Edison. This module is on understanding the device landscape. You've been formally introduced to the Internet of Things, and now we're moving into a two-module section about the devices that can be used as the brains of a project. Most devices or systems are going to have a brain. It's not an absolute necessity. There are digital systems architected without a subsystem that qualifies as a central processing unit, but those aren't very common. Usually there's a brain, and in this course we're definitely going to be working with systems that have brains. There are basically just two kinds of devices: microcontrollers and systems on a chip. Microcontrollers are a much simpler architecture, and the code that you use to program them is pretty simple too. Systems on a chip are a more complex architecture that allows the chip to run a standard operating system like Windows or Linux, and that'll let you run Node. That's not the only advantage, though. Another advantage to running a standard operating system is that there are apps and libraries that you or someone else has already written that will often work just fine in this IoT environment, even if that's not what they were originally intended for. It's great to work with a popular platform because it means a lot of code's already been written. After we look at both types of processors, we'll take a quick look at some of the hardware that you can plug into your device to make it do things. And we'll also have a glance at the various methods for the device to communicate outside itself. After we get a good general view, we'll spend the next module looking specifically at one device, the Intel Edison.